everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now today, I'm really excited. I feel like I open every single video by saying that I'm really excited, but I am really excited because I'm gonna be doing, whoa, we had a dog emergency. So I'm gonna be doing a clothing try-on haul today. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a clothing try-on haul, and it's ironic because the last one of these that I did was a Target clothing try-on haul. And this is actually one of the things that I got from Target, like I'm wearing it. And if you recognize this outfit, I filmed this on the same day that I filmed my Amazon Whole Foods 365 grocery haul. So yeah, if you haven't seen that, you should go check that out. But today, I am doing a haul slash kind of first thoughts review of Aspyn Ovards clothing line called Luca Grae. So if you don't know who Aspyn Ovard is, she is kind of an old school YouTuber like myself. She's been around for a while. She's so cute. I think if most people I think pretty much everyone would say that that's one of their favorite things about Aspyn is how she's just cute. She's got the coolest style. Just really, I know I keep using the word cute, but she's just cute, and her clothing line is so cute, and I've wanted to try stuff from there for a while. So I thought that I would buy a few things for summer, just random pieces, and show them to you guys. And Luca Grae is her clothing line, her clothing store. So she's, on a side note, just done a great job with that. I really admire, as a fellow kind of business person, internet entrepreneur, I just really admire what she has built. I see that and I'm like, that cannot be easy. So you go, Aspyn. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just start. So this first thing is not super summery, but I love wearing things like this with shorts, and it's super cute. It's funny, I actually have a tank top that's like this. It's so soft. It's this jumper, sweater, cactus thingamabobber, and that was the first thing I thought when I pulled it out was, oh my gosh, this is so soft. Now I got it a size medium. There's a chance I'm gonna regret that. I may have wished I'd gotten it a little bigger. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna try this on. Okay, I think this is so cute, and I actually like it even better on than I did off. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. It's so soft. I think it goes the perfect length on the sleeves. I think it fits me really well, and I like it. And I like that the cactuses are kind of muted. They're almost kind of painted on watercolored. I like the pink little flowers. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think this is so cute. So yeah, okay. This next shirt, I actually got two of these. I got one for me and then one for one of my best friends, Michaela, because, okay, so if you haven't figured this out yet, I'm a distributor for Young Living essential oils, and my friend Michaela ended up becoming a distributor on my team, and her Instagram account that she made for her oils is called Peachy Life Essentials, because she just moved from California to Georgia, so a Georgia peach, and I saw this shirt, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get this for her. So I got her one and I got me one. I felt like this shirt was I don't remember the price. I felt like it was a little overpriced for what it is, but t-shirts are kind of like that sometimes. I've paid way too much money for t-shirts in the past. So it wasn't crazy expensive, but I was also it's kind of a lot of money for the shirt, but it's super cute, and I'm gonna try this on now. Cute! Okay, this is super cute too. So it's not a super long shirt, but it's also not a super short shirt, somewhere in the middle. Like I said, I still think it was a little bit expensive, a little bit overpriced, but at the same time, I think this is so flipping cute. I really like this t-shirt, a lot. So, pitching, yeah. This top, super cute looking, by the way, is a cropped tie top. So I'm gonna go grab some jeans to try on with these, and I will BRB. All right, guys, here's the top. Let me tell you what I'm thinking. Part of me thinks this is so cute. I feel like Aspyn right now. Hey, so cute. I love the color, I love the print. I will say, I do feel a little bit I mean, you don't have to wear something underneath. I have to wear something underneath. I could not just wear this without a bra. Also, I think your boobs would pretty much definitely pop out. So part of me was am I on the fence about this top? But then part of me is no, this is so cute. So I'm interested to hear I don't know what you guys think, but part of me thinks it's super cute. You guys are getting like my real reactions. When I try on clothes for the first time, I'm always like, I'm pretty like, do I like it? I don't know. What do I think? I don't know. That's like how I am when I try on clothes. But I don't know, I feel like my boobs keep wanting to pop out, but I think this is really cute too. All right, yeah. We're gonna try on the set that I'm scared of, that I think I'm actually gonna look flipping ridiculous in, but man, Aspyn does a good job of selling because she was wearing this in one of her pictures, and I literally was like, so here, okay, let me just show you. Here's the shorts, okay? Here's the top. In her picture, she looked so cute, it's crazy, like, so cute, but part of me thinks I'm going to look like a baby in a diaper wearing this. So let's find out if I look like a baby in a diaper. All right guys, I don't know. I think I just did it because Aspyn was wearing it. Yeah, I kind of think like I look like a baby in a diaper. What do you guys think? I'm very like, I'm torn because part of me is like, no, you're just thinking that because it's a different style, like it's really cute. But then part of me is like, no, it's like bunching up around my crotch, and I do look like a baby in a diaper. But I'll tell you what I like. So I love the color, I love the uniqueness of it, and I love that even though these are like high-waisted shorts with these fluttery things still go down a little bit. Like I thought these were gonna be full-on booty shorts, but they're not. So I don't know, guys. And I know I'm not all dolled up, I'm like awkwardly standing here in my living room barefoot. Tell me what you think. I really like this color though. Like I'm a big fan of the whole mustard trend that's happening right now. Okay. Yeah. I got another two-piece set from them that I will be devastated if this doesn't fit or it looks weird because I think it's so gorgeous. So it's this crop top right here, like this, and then it goes with this high-waisted white button-down long skirt. So I'm thinking you might be able to see my butt through this. I'm really curious, but I think it's stunning. So I'm gonna try this next. All right, peeps, so here we go. Yes, I am awkwardly wearing a sports bra with this. We'll just keep my hair like that. So first thought is, wow, it's a winner. Like, super cute. Second thought is, oh my gosh, the skirt's see-through. You can totally see my underwear through that. Third thought is I kind of wanted to go bigger in the skirt. Well, okay, so when I was putting the skirt on, I thought, there's no way this is gonna fit me. This is gonna be way too small. And then I pulled it up and I was like, oh, I have like tons of room except right at the waist. So all of this is very roomy down here, but the top is almost so tight that it's like digging in and the buttons are being like pulled apart. So I'm kind of like, do I go bigger to get the waist, like maybe this will just kind of like hang more? I'm not really sure what I want to do about that. The top fits perfectly. This is a small top. I think the whole set is a small. I think the top is a small and the bottoms are a small. But yeah, I feel like I'm always torn on like so many clothes when I'm trying them on. I can't decide if I'd be super uncomfortable walking around in this, because yeah, you have to wear the right underwear, and even if I'm wearing the right underwear, like is it still awkwardly see-through? I can't quite decide. So I'm gonna be pondering this set for sure and that last set for sure. This set more to try to decide, do I need to go up a size? The last set to decide, do I even want to keep it? Because after I hit stop and I went and looked in the mirror, I was like, I definitely look like an adult baby, like for sure. So yeah, but I mean, really cute. It's cute, a white little crop top set, super cute. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna try on is this striped dress, which is also adorable. I got this in a small because it's supposed to be like wider and more oversized. I'm worried that this is gonna be a little short, but at the same time, short doesn't necessarily bother me because when it's super hot out, I like having like shorter, less amounts of clothing on, and I just wear shorts under every single dress I wear all the time anyways, unless it's super long and see-through like this white skirt. But I love wearing like biker shorts because then I feel like even though I'll never do a cartwheel in public, I feel like I've got as much freedom to where I could do a cartwheel anywhere and I'd be fine. I don't like feeling like, oh, gotta hold my skirt down, awkward. So I'm gonna try this on. Okay, I love this dress. I mean, I feel like a little girl in it, but half of my favorite clothes are clothes that I feel like a little girl in. It's super comfy. I mean, it's not too short for me when I'm just standing here. It actually goes right down to the end of my middle finger. If I lift my arms, I mean, it gets shorter and shorter, but like I said, it doesn't really matter to me because this is basically just gonna be like an oversized top for me in the summer. I'll wear this with biker shorts underneath, and it's cool too because it's also got pockets, which I mean, everybody loves a dress with pockets. So yeah, I love this, and I love the neckline at the top, and I like the coloring. I don't have any striped things. Oh no, I have one top that's got like tan and rose gold stripes, but it's an interesting like different addition to my closet, and the fabric is very different too. It's like a thicker, it reminds me of like, can't think of the word, barley hemp. Those are not the words I'm looking for. Like a bag, you know, like that rustic bag material. I can't think of the word, but anyways, and it's double lined, which is really nice. So yeah, I love this. So, okay, next up, I've got 2 more clothing pieces and then 2 shoes. So I'm gonna try on this dress, but it's interesting because the dress, I didn't even realize when I was checking out, bless my heart, that the dress and the shorts are the same fabric. So they're these loose shorts, which I love having like a pair of loose shorts for the summer. I've worn like the same pair of loose shorts the last like 2 summers in a row that I got from Target. So cute. So I'm excited to try those on. And then this dress, it's a maxi dress, but it's got like this cute front like cutout. So I'm interested to see how this fits, and this actually might wear it. We're doing Bible study at like a restaurant tonight, so I might wear this to dinner tonight. We'll see how it fits. BRB. Okay, so this does not fit at all how I thought it was gonna fit. If I'm gonna keep it at all, I think I'm gonna go up a size because I feel like this hugs me in like the weirdest places. So once again, we've got like this super low boob situation going on, but you can fix that like I did with a bra, a sports bra. So this is what I'm talking about. I feel like this hugs me very strange, and I expected this to be a little bit like looser on the bottom, but I ordered a small. I mean, it's hard when you're ordering online. I know there's like measurements you can take, so this is not slamming Luca Grae because I'm lazy. I never take the measurements on websites, like ever, if I'm just admitting that to you. So I could have taken the measurements, I didn't, but I don't think I like how this fits. Like I was looking in the mirror and I'm like, would I feel comfortable going out in this tonight? And I don't think I would. So kind of bummed because I think this was the thing I was the most excited about to try. I don't know, maybe you guys have a different opinion than me. I just feel like it's hugging me super weird. So, but this fabric that I love so much, I'm gonna try on the shorts right now, and we'll see how that fits. All right, so I threw back on my peachy shirt to wear with these shorts, and I like them. I mean, like, loose shorts I'm always a little bit underwhelmed with because I'm like, am I just like, I don't know, like I feel like I'm hanging out, but at the same time, I know from how much wear I got out of my previous loose shorts, when it's like 100 and something degrees out and you don't want to wear much and you're just gonna run errands, like they're great to have. And I think that these are super cute, and they're right at the point where like any shorter I'd feel really uncomfortable, but I'm chill with them, and I really like the print of this fabric. I think that they're super cute. Moving on to the 2 pairs of shoes that I got. Really interested to try these. I have a feeling they're gonna be a little small. I ordered up because I tend to, from boutique shops, I feel like a lot of those types of shops where they're buying from, the marts they're buying from, they tend to run smaller. I know that's really weird that I know that or have that experience, but the shoes just do tend to run smaller. So I ordered up. I'm still wondering if they're gonna fit. So I got these trainers, these gold, I was gonna call them rose gold. They're like a dusty rose tennis shoe. So I have a pair of rose tennis shoes from Kendall and Kylie's line. I got them like a year or 2 ago, and they're super cute, but they're very different. These are much more casual. Those are like, they also have a heel on them, like huge, not a heel, but like platform. So these are much more casual. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. And I got them in a 9, and I'm normally an 8.5. Okay, I thought I'd put you guys down here so you could actually see the shoes. First off, they're so comfortable and they're so light and super breathable too. I didn't really realize that. I almost feel like you could go barefoot in these, which is not something I do with tennis shoes, but it's like a mesh, like a breathable mesh, and I think I literally think I love them. So let me try to get to a place where you guys can see what's happening. Super bright. Can you see that? So cute. I love them. Seriously? Yeah, I really like them. Let me come up closer too. So cute. Here they are from the top. Super cute. Okay, so then I got these, which I feel like are kind of super over the top in some ways. Like, they remind me of clown shoes. I know that's weird. I don't know where I got that from. But I also think they're super cute. And like with that all white outfit, like so cute. Or even just with like my ripped up jeans, my Levi's, and like a t-shirt, like even with this, so cute. So I'm worried these are gonna be a little small. Let's see. All right, I actually don't think that they're too small. I mean, dude, I don't know, man. My heels are like on the edge. And same thing with these. I got them at a 9, not an 8.5. So I'm kind of on the fence. Part of me thinks they fit like perfectly, and part of me is like, no, your heel's going a little bit over the edge. So this is gonna be another one of the items that I debate. But yeah, that's like close. So yeah, guys, that's it. Aspyn, you have a really cool store, and I hope that you guys liked this, found this helpful, found it interesting. I will try to link all of the items that I showed you in this video down below if I can find them, if she's still selling them. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys back here soon with another new video. Oh, by the way, I bought some activewear recently. Because I pretty much only wear sports bras, so I bought some new sports bras and leggings, and I'm gonna do a haul on that too. So from a really cool line too, I bought a lot of the stuff from that I haven't really heard much about, so I'm excited to share it. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you soon, and yeah, bye guys.